going on the ship for Disney World. The ship to Disney World are going really fast. The boat goes slow, there's water all over the place. There's no land, but there's Disney World. You get to go on the plane and drop you off on the boat. We're going on the boat to Disney World. Let's go, going on the boat to Disney World.